Hello everyone, welcome to this video on how to configure the ComboBox widget in a Bold BI dashboard. Let's see the overview of a ComboBox. A ComboBox has the ability to slice and dice data to examine results from different angles. One widget to control the values displayed in one or more widgets. Let's start configuring the ComboBox. Drag and drop the ComboBox from the toolbox into the Design panel. Under the Properties tab, I provide the widget name and its description. Under the Assign Data tab, you'll see the Data tab open with the available columns from the connected data source. To configure a ComboBox, a minimum of one column is needed. I will bind a column to get the dimension values. The ComboBox has been successfully configured. ComboBoxes are mostly used as a filter widget to filter dashboard data. For that, enable Act as the master widget option and configure listener widgets based on the dashboard requirements. By enabling this option, you can control the interdependency of widgets in a dashboard with respect to dynamic user interactions. Here, you can select or deselect listener widgets that would respond to user interaction in the master widget. To know more about configuring master and listener widgets, please refer to the documentation link provided in this video's description. Let's publish the dashboard to preview the changes. Here, by selecting a warehouse, listener widgets are filtered based on the selection. I select Warehouse 2, and data for Warehouse 2 is displayed. Next, let me show you some real-time examples of the ComboBox widget. Here the absentee rate and employees and overall labor effectiveness by department are the listener widgets for the department ComboBox. In the Filter configuration window, I select the listener widgets. When I select a department name, the listener widgets are filtered to showcase the department-wise absentees rate and their overall labor effectiveness. Next, in the Agents ComboBox, unresolved tickets by priority and tickets by agent and status are the listener widgets. In the Filter configuration window, I select both. When I select an agent, the agent's unresolved tickets by priority and status of tickets are showcased. Next, in this real-time example, to filter trials by phase and location where the trial is conducted for a specific intervention, this intervention type ComboBox is used. When I select an intervention, I can find the locations where trials were conducted and trials count per phase. In this real-time example, I select a school, and the operating budget per year and student participation in acceleration programs are filtered. Next, this real-time example helps you filter the total confirmed COVID cases by country and death count based on the country selected. When selecting a country, listener widgets are filtered to showcase the total confirmed and death cases. This real-time example helps you to find out the tasks by status and tasks by type for a selected project. Here, when I select a project, the task statuses along with task types get filtered. Next, let's see how to configure relative dates. Drag and drop the ComboBox widget into the designer area and provide the widget name and description. I add a date column. Select the relative dates from the settings icon. Configure a relative date and click Add. Repeat this until the required set of relative dates is added. I add the last 15 days, 30 days, and the required relative dates to filter the dashboard. You can see the added relative dates in the ComboBox as follows, and you can filter the dashboard based on the selection. Let's preview the dashboard to see the changes. I select last 30 days relative date filter, and the dashboard is filtered based on this selection. Likewise, you can create more relative dates based on your need. Also, by utilizing the relative date options in the ComboBox widget, you can apply time-based filters to any date column in your dashboard. Similarly, you can also configure custom relative dates. Configure a custom relative date and click Add. The custom relative date added in the ComboBox can be used to filter the dashboard data based on the date range configured. Next, let me apply properties to the widget under the Properties tab. Under Basic Settings, by default, the Enable Multi-Select option is enabled. It can be turned off if needed. These are the default properties applied when configuring the widget. I have shown you the different ways to configure the ComboBox widget. Finally, let me conclude by explaining the difference between a ComboBox and a list box. A ComboBox is appropriate when there is a list of suggested choices, and a list box is appropriate when you want to limit input to what is on the list. Please leave a comment with any questions you may have or if there are any additional features you would like to see in Bold BI. Thanks for watching.